Hey, everybody! All your pitch channel is here. In this video we're going to run through our daily orders. Let's see what we have in production, what we have in the works. We're gonna start with this huge spurt conveyor. You can take a closer look at it, look at all the details. It's not ready yet. Later it will be closed with a big cover, the necessary elements will be installed, and it will be sent to our customer. I would also like to remind you that we are engaged in manufacturing of our CNC machines of GP series, which allow bending coils with thickness from 2 to 50 millimeters. Come on, let's walk around and take a look at them. This is one of our standard orders. We will show more varied branches a little later. This is where we have our welding work taking place. We also manufacture welding rotators that allow us to weld arches into the pipe. In this case, in the conveyor pipe. This is our largest machine. This is the GP-100T machine, which is made up to 50 millimeters thick. We can pay attention to how huge it is here. We can pay attention to these coils, which are made on this machine. Notice the large thickness, how powerful the machine must be to bend these thick blanks. We also talk about the fact that our coils have no geometry restrictions. We can see this on a product like this. So it's not exactly standard. It all depends on the workpiece that we put in. Behind me are the GP machines that we have in stock right now. So you can order one and you don't have to wait a long time. We will ship them out of stock. In this area we have conveyors. Now, in this case, we need this model to move chain things. Well, it's probably Quicksilver. And also this area here. This is the painting area. You can take a closer look at what the conveyor looks like after it is already assembled, ready, painted, drying and waiting for the moment of half packing to go to its customer. Let's take a look at a conveyor that is just being manufactured. At this stage, we are welding the elements of this large conveyor. So this is the loading area. You can take a closer look and pay attention to how this process is taking place. When this conveyor is ready, a new video will be released. Don't miss it. Take a look at it in its entirety. In this video we run through our daily orders. If you need something like this made for you, or designed specifically for your production needs, then contact us. All contracts are in the description of this video.